Let's talk about technology. Hi, I'm Nikki, the Operations Manager at WOWSuccessTeam. Most small business owners invest in software hoping it'll save time, but when the tools don't fit or they're poorly set up, that tech ends up wasting time, creating confusion, and even costing you clients. So, let's go over and talk about the top 5 tech mistakes we see and how to fix them. Mistake number 1: app scroll, too many tools, too little impact. You don't need 5 different tools to do one job. When your CRM, proposal software, scheduler, communication app, and file storage are all disconnected, it leads to delays, double entry, and lots of wasted time. The first step to fix it is to audit your tech stack. List out everything that you're using, and free and paid. Look for overlaps and note where you can consolidate if possible. Integration tools like Zapier or Make or native APIs can help you connect what you decide to keep. Mistake number 2: no clear owner for each tool. If no one owns a platform, no one manages it. That leads to outdated data, missing logins, and general chaos. Every tool in your stack should have a designated owner, even if it's just one person checking in once a month to clean it up, run reports, and verify it's still being used the right way. Mistake number 3: automating the wrong things. We love automation, but automating a broken process just creates chaos faster. Before you automate anything, you have to map the process and make sure it works. Keep in mind that automation should eliminate the repetitive stuff, not replace relationships. A great example is automating a lead follow up with Pipedrive, Calendly, and Zoom. You can automatically send a follow up email, let them schedule a meeting, and generate the Zoom link, all without you doing anything manually. That's smart automation. Mistake number 4: ignoring security and compliance. If your tech stack isn't secure or you're handling client data without proper protection, you're putting your reputation and wallet at risk. Tools like Termageddon helps you create compliant privacy policies, terms and conditions, and more. Secure CRMs like Suitdash or Clio Manage protect sensitive client info. Don't cut corners here. Privacy and security aren't optional anymore. Mistake number 5: choosing tools without team input. You pick a tool, you set it up, and no one uses it. Sound familiar? That's because rollout without buy-ins doesn't work. Let your team test options. Involve them in demos. Make sure the tool fits their workflow, not just yours. The fix? It starts with a tech audit. That's why we created this week's tool, the Tech Cleanup Checklist. It walks you through listing every tool, spotting overlaps, assigning owners, identifying automation opportunities, and building a fix-it plan. Grab it for free and start streamlining your systems this week because tech should save you time, not waste it. Once again, I'm Nikki, the Operations Manager at Wow Success Team. We build systems, tech, and teams that scale with you or without you. Thank you and see you again next week. Bye bye.